Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best camping cookware in 2019. To see the price and more information about these cookware, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5, we have the Bisgear 12 Camping Cookware. This Gear Camping Cookware is one of the top-rated camping cookware on the market. The 16 pieces camping cookware set comes with a foldable spoon-fork, spoon combination, 1 pot, 1 pan with lid, 2 BPA-free bowl, a rice ladle, mini stove, a canister standard tripod, and 1 nylon bag to carry all items. The pot and pan are made of aluminum oxide material with non-stick coating. The aluminum material is non-toxic, wear-resistant, long-lasting and conduct heat fast. The cookware has high temperature resistant folding handle designed to save you space. All the items in this cooking set can be easily stored together in the provided mesh bag for convenient carry and space saving. Lastly, this cookware is multi-purpose and it is perfect for frying or boiling. Moving on at number 4, we have the MalloMe Camping Cookware. This is another quality camping cookware mess kit that you should not ignore. This non-stick cookware set is designed got 1 or 2 persons. The pot and frying pan are made of hard anodized aluminum material, so they're light and sturdy. This set also comes with foldable handles on the pot pan and soup spoon to save the storage space. The Moloney Camping Cookware set also comes with a mesh bag for easy storage and transportation. This camping cooking set is available in multiple options including 1 liter and 2 liter cookware size. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. At number 3, we have the Gear for You Camping Cookware. The Gear for You is a versatile camping cookware which comes with everything you require to fully enjoy your meals outdoors. This 13 pieces mess kit includes 1 non-stick pot with lid, 1 pan, 2 sports, 2 cups with lids, 1 soup ladle, 1 bamboo spatula and a cleaning sponge. The pan and pot are made of the highest quality, non-toxic anodized aluminum material. Also the pot and pan have a non-stick coating which makes cleaning a breeze. Both the pan and pot have silicone-coated handles that are foldable for easy storage. The silicone handles provide a good grip and protect you from burning when cooking. All items in this cooking set nestle perfectly together for easy storage. The complete cookware set easily fit into the included nylon bag for easy carrying. At number 2, we have the Terra Hiker Camping Cookware. No matter if you're an amateur backpacker or a professional hiker, this 10 pieces camping cookware can satisfy all your outdoor cooking needs. This camping cookpot set comes with all your kitchen essentials, offering a perfect solution for cooking food and boiling water outdoors. The set contains 1 pot with lid, 1 teapot, plastic bowl, serving ladle, cleaning sponge and bamboo stick. Serving ladle and bowls are made of food-grade PP plastic. Each cookware has insulated plastic handles to protect your finger from heat. The handles are foldable for easy storage and carry. What's more, everything in this cookware set can be neatly packed in a mesh bag to make it easy for you to carry. This set is perfect for hiking, backpacking, camping and more. And finally at number 1, we have the KingCamp Camping Cookware. Are you searching for a larger size camping cookware set that can work well for a family of 4 to 6 people? Then the KingCamp Camping Cookpot set is a perfect choice for you. The 17 pieces kit comes with 3 pots with lids, 5 bowls, 1 frying pan, 2 plates, 1 spoon, 1 foldable ladle, cleaning sponge and 1 carry bag. The 17 pieces cookware is ideal for hiking, picnic camping, backpacking and other outdoor activities. The frying pan and pots of this cooking kit are made of hard anodized aluminum material which is durable, non-toxic and durable. On top of that, the pan and pots are coated with non-stick material for easy cleaning and cooking. The spoon and bowls are made of food-grade plastic, which is durable and environmental. Moreover, the pan and pots nest inside each other and the folds down to make them compact and for easy storage in the included mesh bag. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.